Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about cloud-based VDRs for intellectual property valuation. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about cloud-based VDRs or virtual data rooms for intellectual property IP valuation. So let's start. Intro. Intellectual property is a valuable asset for many businesses. It can include things like patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secret. IP valuation is the process of determining the monetary value of IP assets. Cloud-based VDRs are secure online repositories that can be used to store and share sensitive documents with potential investors, clients, and other stockholders. Number of advantage over traditional on-premises VDR, including cost saving. Cloud-based VDRs are typically more cost-effective than on-premises VDRs because organizations do not need to invest in the maintain their own hardware and software. Scalability. Cloud-based VDRs are scalable, meaning that they can be easily escalated up or down to meet the needs of the organization. This is important for organizations that need to share large amount of data with multiple stockholders. Security. Cloud-based VDRs use the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. This is important for protecting confidential information such as trade secret and IP valuation reports. Compliance. Cloud-based VDRs can help organizations to comply their industry regulation such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). Benefits of using cloud-based VDRs for IP valuation. There are a number of benefits to using cloud-based VDRs for IP valuation, including improved efficiency. Cloud-based VDR can help to improve the efficiency of the IP valuation process by providing a central location to store and share all of the relevant documents. This can save time and effort for both the IP valuation professional and the client. Increased accuracy. Cloud-based VDRs can help to increase the accuracy of IP valuation by providing a secure way to share confidential information with the IP valuation professional. This can help the IP valuation professional the better understand the client's IP asset and to produce a more accurate valuation report. Reduce cost. Cloud-based VDRs can help to reduce the cost associated with IP valuation by eliminating the need for travel and by providing a secure way to share documents electronically. That's it. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.